Martial law begins tomorrow across 4 Russian regions of Ukraine that Russia claims to have annexed.
Russian President Vladimir Putin made the statement during a speech to his Security Council earlier today. Putin illegally annexed parts of southern and eastern Ukraine after holding staged referendums, despite not controlling the regions politically or militarily. Russian forces have already begun evacuating tens of thousands of people from Kherson ahead of an expected Ukrainian counteroffensive. Meanwhile, Russia continues its air assault. Ukrainian officials say they shot down more than a dozen drones and missiles so far today.
For more on this, let's bring in CBS News reporter Mary Ilyushina. Mary, Russian President Vladimir Putin has declared martial law in those illegally annexed regions of Ukraine. What do we know about how people there are going to be impacted?
Right. Well, under Russian law, this gives pretty wide powers to the military and to the law enforcement. Most importantly, I think, to detain people who they believe is a security threat to up to 30 days, to seize civilian property for the needs of the army, to control all communications, intercept them, read them, and to also impose and limit restrictions, movement around the region, entry bans, exit bans, and also imposing curfews. The question is how actually that will change the situation on the ground and how that will differ from living under a military occupation, which those people in those regions have been living for about 8 months now, because Russian forces have been displacing people, detaining people, arresting them, killing people for all this time. So whether that will actually have a very significant change on the ground, that still remains to be seen.
Putin also gave emergency powers to the heads of all regions of Russia. What does this mean?
Yeah, well, some lawyers note that this introduction of martial law could actually have wider repercussions for Russia domestically rather than on the battlefield in Ukraine, because essentially what we have now is that the regions that border Ukraine, it's 8 territories, there is economic mobilization, which is not very specified in the decree that Putin signed, but essentially sets these areas on a war footing, and allowing the country, at least partially, to switch their economy on sort of wartime economy and support the military there. It also opens up a path for these regional leaders to expand on this decree and potentially, limit movement, close the borders, have, again, wider powers to detain people. So that could potentially be interpreted in however the situation develops. And the regional heads have wide powers to very much restrict Russians inside their regions.
Well, Russia's been targeting power, water infrastructure across Ukraine. Tell us, what's Russia's ultimate goal?
Putin has been betting on the upcoming winter to, put pressure on Ukrainians and sort of make it harder for them to fight, and also for civilians to sort of push through as the country tries to repel the Russian invasion. Because what Russia has been doing is targeting a lot of key infrastructure, leaving people without gas, heating, electricity, which will be very, very difficult, obviously, as the months grow colder. This is the tactic that Russia has been implementing also in Europe and in their sort of gas supplies, in hopes that the overwhelming need of these people to have heating, electricity, and basic needs will overpower their support for Ukraine, and also kind of break the Ukrainian spirit as they face this onslaught.
Mary Ilyushina, thanks so much for your reporting.